So you want to know about the machine instruction cycle. The cycle has 3 steps: fetch, decode, and execute. Fetch. The program counter, PC, starts at 000. This means that the first address in RAM where the computer will look for the instruction is at 000. The computer needs somewhere to store the current address in RAM that it is looking for. This is what the memory address register is for. 000 is therefore copied into the memory address register. Click the arrows. No, like on the keyboard. Decode. The CPU decodes instructions put into the register by fetch. The main parts of decode, OP code. So there are main parts of decode. OP code is what tells the CPU which instructions to execute, and operand is the data that is used during execution of those instructions. So decode, there are different locations of operand. Immediate is the data encoded into the machine instruction, and it's the fastest to execute. Memory reference is data located in the memory that is defined by an address encoded into machine instruction. And it's the slowest to execute. And then there's register reference, which is data located in the CPU registers, and its register address encoded into the machine instruction. Execute. Now the command will be executed. The operand is copied to the memory address register, as this is the address of the data that needs to be loaded. The data at the address 0100 is then fetched from RAM and passed up to the data bus to the MDR. As it is not an instruction but simply data, it is then passed to the accumulator. Oh. Step 5. That's you.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Oh.